Good morning. We are out at 8 o'clock this morning. We left camp before 8, so I don't really know what time it is now, but we are on location. We started this loop of finding these geocaches last year, so we're going to try to, I think we need to pick up 12 to finish the loop. Well, we're not going to finish because the loop goes up in those mountains, and I'm not taking the truck camper up in there. But I went as far last year as we could go without going up the mountain, came around, and we came back down. And we didn't finish. I think we've got about 12 on this road anyway. So we found where we left off, so we are headed to find our first geocache this morning. Yesterday we did a lot of the adventure labs. Today we're doing regular geocaching. And she says it's in here somewhere. It's either by the cactus or by the tree. We shall see, because we don't know. It's the hunt. Hunt for some little bitty thing in the desert to sign a piece of paper. And I got up for that. I got up early for that.
We did. And everything out here wants to sting you, prick you. I'm buzzing. I'm going to say it's here.
We'll go find it.
Got those holes. You don't know what's active.
She's got a picker-upper. That's in case it's in the bushes and you don't want to reach down there and get bit by a scorpion or a snake or something. So you take a stick, hiking stick, grabber, something when you go geocaching.
Looking for that familiar black and white tail too.
Did you find it?
I did.
She says, I spy.
I spy.
Yeah, see, it's down in that.
It's in a Dolly.
There, look at that. That's bigger than we're used to out here. Is there any chocolate in it?
If it is, it'd be
Do not put food in geocaches.
No, there's a golf tee, incense.
No, doggy bags.
Doggy bags and a nickel and looks like a Canadian coin.
No, it looks like a token.
It is a token.
What is that? The logbook? And there's the logbook.
It's for the car wash. Is that the for the one here?
Might be. I don't know.
Interesting. Anyway.
All right. So sign the log in.
Sign the log and let's go to the next.
So, some geocaches have little treasures in them, and you can take a treasure, leave a treasure, whatever. I'm taking this one. I don't take many. But it's Cruise It. This is, I think it's made out of a penny. It says Cruise It, Route 66 in a classic. I'm going to put that on my jacket. So, since I'm going to take one, I have a geocaching bag that Lola, Lost on Land again, gave me, gosh, back in the day. And it's got all kinds of treasures. It's got tweezers. It's got pins, replacement papers. It's my little geocaching bag. So I went and got it to put a treasure in this little film container. Back in the day, film container. So I got some little Joan rocks in here for geocaching. I'm going to put a little pretty rock in there.
Stay back.
All right. I'm going to keep that one. Oops. Down the hole.
That almost went down the hole.
So sometimes you come upon a geocache and it needs some TLC. This one was all broken up. It did have a lid. We took the lid off to see if it fit another bottle that Dubs had, and it didn't. So I replaced the bottle. Thank you, Surfing Dodo, because this came from you when you gave us those flies, those fishing flies. So I'm going to leave it here in Arizona as a G replacement for this bottle here. All right, on to the next one. All right, we have signed. It's in an Altoids tin. Where are you going?
Over here down to the ditch.
I was going to have you put this back.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I am going to do that.
All right.
Oops.
Got it? Could be snaky up there, so
Scorpion in it.
there you go.
There you go.
That's about what it was.
Yep. Actually, I think it's covered up now.
Go down in the wash first before.
Maybe.
Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah, this one's kind of difficult to get to. A little bit steep. So I went over here and held on to this tree. This.
You have to watch me.
I have to watch you?
I'm coming through. It's like Rocky. There's nothing snaky going on here.
Ooh.
Ooh, it was easier on my knees though.
Was it?
Yeah. Ready.
Ready. We got one more and then we've completed this road.
Yeehaw.
We met where we finished last year. All right. That's going to be the last one. Down this road anyway. I spy.
Already, you must have seen the pilot box. I see it in that. I see it inside this thing.
There it is.
Oh, that's got money in it. Not.
Not. It's got a little thing around it.
A little can. Oh, that was smart. Tested the heck out of it too. You want me to sign that while you're videoing?
Sure. Oh, it's got one of those tokens in it. Adventure Lab geocache in this series, and this is called the BLM. So it has taken us to all 5 of the Quartzsite area BLMs, which is Dome Rock, that's where we're at now, Roadrunner, High Jolly, Skadden Wash, and Plumosa Road. We are done with this one. Alright, one of the duck under the chain. That's what I love about geocaching and adventure labs, is it takes you to places you'd never go. How many times have I been to Quartzsite? So we're going to this old gas station, Camel Stop Auto Repair. Old gas station. It's Grandpa's. So the clue on this one is who owns the store. It's Grandpa. Grandpa's garage. That old Cadillac. What's your name?
Ralph.
Ralph?
Yeah.
I'm Jana.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. He's going to let us inside to see what's inside here. There's some nice. Station number 5.
Watch your foot. You got to step down when you go.
Okay. Ooh, yeah. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is a treasure. Wow. Nice.
There's pictures on the wall over here what it looked like when I bought it.
I was going to say, how long have you had this?
And my mom and dad bought it in 15 from the original.
From the original.
Yeah. So
Oh my gosh.
This is the house you see behind us.
Yeah.
This is a gas station here.
Oh my
Of
goodness.
course.
Wow, this is awesome.
That's so cool.
It is. These cars. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so how much have you done?
Everything.
Everything.
Did nothing. The only thing, my dad was on the roof here and he did the outside and he died. He got valley fever down here.
Oh no.
So that was in 15 and then it went through probate and all that. My brother and I did our thing and then he went his own way and then I did this.
Wow.
So this is
How much?
all the wood come out of the Jeep dealership in Blythe. It was all shelving. And I broke it all down and used it for wall covering because it wanted that period look.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
this is amazing.
Because that's the way it would have looked if it hadn't been run down so far. So I just brought it back to what it is. I didn't want it to look new. Just
No, and it looks great.
Oh
We
my
passed by and
gosh.
I see it. I see the Cadillac out there, but these guys are long gone.
no. This one's in my garage at home,
Okay.
and this truck belongs to my brother.
Picture this guy.
Some of these were mine. Some were my dad's.
Amazing. How much fun has this been to put together? All that.
Oh, this has been right up your alley.
I know it. I used to work for Phillips, so I'm a Phillips brat.
So I wanted the display case. So I had a bunch of old windows. So I built a display case. That's what that is. It's just a bunch of old windows.
Wow.
My dad had built one that wasn't exactly going to work for me, so I copied his design basically and then made it bigger. Of course.
And just finding all this stuff, finding all the little cars.
But this is phenomenal. I was like, this would make a cute house.
All those little cars and
The pros and cons of living here.
oh, I had that bank, that Phillips 66 bank, the box that's there.
You have one?
No, I did.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I had all those. I collected all those because I worked there, so we got them cheap.
Right.
Gosh.
It had a full counter across here, but it was broke up so bad. And it used to have a tree beside the building, and it had come in and uprooted the floor and then tore up that wall real bad.
Oh, yeah.
But we were able to salvage that.
Good.
And Calvin helped me do it. He has a
Unbelievable.
store here.
This is phenomenal. Thank you for showing
I
me.
know.
You said your name is Ralph?
Yeah.
They call me Dubs. Thank you. This is awesome. It is.
It is. I mean, it takes forever just to see every little detail. Air conditioner charger, Freon. And all the old books. God.
Minimalist idea.